Look at all this food. Now, you know, I chose this Dutchy pot, but I'm thinking, nope, I'm going to have to use the bigger one. Why? Because all this is not going to fit in here. I'm thinking that I'm doing it for 3, but you know what? I want to show you a soup for a big family. And that's only 3 in my family, so I usually use this one. But we're going to transfer everything over here, and what I'm going to do is 1 chicken at a time with my fork. I'm going to move it. And this is soon ready, you know, for me to go ahead and cut up, but I'm going to just transfer it for right now. So I'm going to transfer the chicken over before I put in the actual broth, okay? Take it in here and transport all this stuff, all this yummy stuff in here. And I'm going to go ahead and take the water now, turn off my stove so no one gets hurt. And I'm just going to take this liquid and gently put it over here like this, really nice and gently. Take my time, there's no rush. Nice and easy. You can always change pots, you know, you don't have to use the same old pot. And actually, I can even add a little water to it too if I want to.